let me just bring in mindfulness, because often I would be like, man, I wish there was a pause button for parenting, because I know what to do, I know what to say, but it just comes out wrong because I'm reacting. And so
Yeah.
what I found was, when I discovered that mindfulness has actually been shown to change the brain to help
Mhm.
you to manage emotions better, I was like, I'm in. And so
Yeah.
um, I noticed that when I started practicing mindfulness every day, then that was like the pause button. Like you could pause before reacting and think about what you're doing. So it's wonderful for parents. I teach this to parents in my parenting program, and for anybody who wants
Right.
to be able to manage their emotions better.
Absolutely. Yeah, I love this. So, someone who's wanting to start and begin to apply this either within their own lives as an adult or with their children, what is like one simple step that we could begin doing right away? The mindfulness, is there even another kind of step that
Yeah, I
we
would
can start with?
say, basic mindfulness every day, but then also um, what I kind of demonstrated with labeling their emotions, because
Okay.
especially young kids, they're learning new words all the time. We
Right.
can help them to develop a feelings vocabulary. So when we name that emotion, like, oh, you're feeling upset, you're feeling disappointed, you're feeling mad, then it not only reaffirms how they're feeling, but it helps them to learn those words and be able to use
Yeah.
them themselves.